One of the most popular Thai curries is a green curry. So today we're going to make a green curry paste from scratch, and with that we're going to spice things up a bit and make a green curry fried rice. Alright, we're going to make green curry paste. This is called Prik Gaeng Keow Wan in Thai. Prik Gaeng refers to curry paste. Keow means green. Wan means sweet, but not the flavor. It actually refers to the color. It's supposed to be like a pastel green color. The curry itself is supposed to be just a little bit of sweet, more savory and spice forward. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to toast our spices. So we have cumin, which is called met yira in Thai. We have some white peppercorn, and we have some coriander seeds. So we're just going to dry toast this. This builds the flavor. Basically, it creates a layer. The spices add another layer of flavor in the green curry paste. So we add these spices to basically give it a complex layer of flavor, and also these spices provide some heat in the curry paste as well. So you don't want to over toast these. You want it to just let out some fragrance. Once you get that smell of fresh spices being toasted, you can take it off the heat. Now is the laborious part, but it's worth it at the end. We're gonna start by pounding our fresh herbs. So we have some sliced lemongrass, we have some galangal, which is blue ginger, and we have some finely sliced coriander roots. So we're just gonna pound these. When you pound anything in a pestle and mortar, don't pound it directly in. It's best to do it in a curling motion so that everything breaks down easily and nicely. To assist in breaking down your spices and herbs, we add a little bit of salt, just a little bit more than a pinch. This helps to break the spices, the hard spices, and also the herbs down even more. Alright, so we have a really nice base coming along. What we're going to do next is we're going to add the garlic. So this garlic is not your usual garlic, it's actually Thai garlic, but even a regular peeled garlic would work. So it's slightly larger in size. Just go by weight and not by pieces, because these are smaller and not the ones which are easily available in a local market. We're going to add the biggest green component of the green curry paste, which are the chillies. I've sliced up some chili paddies, which are green, and also some large green chilies. So we're going to add both of these into the paste. Don't be scared with these chilies, because you need the spice in a curry paste, otherwise it's not going to be a green curry paste. Alright, next ingredient we're going to add is kaffir lime. The kaffir lime rind adds a really nice deep citrus flavor to the curry paste. And the next item we're going to add in is fresh turmeric. This is not the turmeric powder, this is a fresh turmeric. Alright, we can see our paste is coming together really nicely, but we have two more ingredients to add. It's the freshly sliced shallots, and lastly, this is shrimp paste. In Thai it's called kapi, or in Malay it's called belacan. This is pretty much the consistency we're looking for. If you want it finer, you can obviously pound it a little bit more, but this is pretty much good enough to make like a really nice green curry dish. You can also make really fun dishes with curry paste. One of the things we're going to make today is a green curry fried rice. So everyone loves a good fried rice and everyone loves a good green curry. We're going to put these together and we're going to have some fun. The first step is to add a little bit of oil to your wok or your pan. So we're going to add the green curry paste that we made earlier. The purpose of this is to cook the curry paste a little bit before you start adding other ingredients in, because a lot of the ingredients we use to make the curry paste are raw. So we're going to cook this and caramelize it a little bit on the stove. Then we're going to add some fish sauce and a little bit of sugar. Next, we're going to add our meat. In this case, we're using chicken thigh. If you don't want to eat chicken, you can obviously add pork, seafood like prawns. Fish wouldn't do really well because it'll break up as you stir fry with the rice. So the best I would recommend would be chicken or pork or vegetarian. We're going to add some sliced up kaffir lime leaves and some coconut milk. We're going to add our vegetables, some cut long beans. I like to add bamboo shoot in this as well. It gives a nice crunch. And then what we're going to do is we're going to cover this and let it simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes and let the vegetables cook a little bit. For fried rice, I would suggest to use day-old rice, especially out of the fridge, because it just cooks a lot better. It doesn't disintegrate fast like freshly cooked rice. So once we've added the rice, we're going to add a little bit of eggplant. These are the Thai eggplants, which are smaller and they're green in color. The reason why I add the eggplants last is because they cook really quickly and they soften and darken very quickly as well. And then we're done. We can plate this up. Squeeze some lime on before we dig in. It has a nice balance of sweet, savory, and spicy, exactly what we wanted. Try making this at home. I can do anything, so let me know what you guys want to see next. I'll see you again